Alright guys, this next thing I want to do is kind of like talk to you about something called lighting. Um, this little weird little, I don't know, it's just a dot with these marching ants around it. That's your light source, okay? So when I change the viewport shading and I say I go to rendered, you notice that it's not there anymore, but there's a light shining from that area. So what you can do is here in this panel, this is where it's kind of like equal to Photoshop's layers panel. You can see everything that you're using just by scrolling down. This tells you what I have selected. This is my lamp, okay, which is your light source. I'm going to take it off of that viewport shading and go back to solid. Okay, so now I have a light source here. When I click on it in my kind of like my layers here, you can see it's highlighted. I could actually move it, X, Y, and Z, okay, just like an object. Okay, you have different types. You have sun, you have the spot, which is more directed, okay, so spotlight, and then point is fine, and you can change the amount of light coming from that by hitting on the energy, and like I might start with 10 or 15, okay, so it looks kind of a little bit more natural. You can also do the same, duplicate on the lamp because maybe you want a more even lighting, and so if I I've got it selected, I'm in object mode, I hold the Shift D, look at that, I've got another one right there. So now when I go to my shading viewport, go to rendered, you can see the difference. The lighting is way more intense. Okay, so if you feel like it's really dark, you may want to play around with these settings here to see how you can change the actual lighting so that you have good lighting and you can actually see the things that you've built. Okay,